Quick question. Do you say actually or actually? If you chose the first one, congratulations, you speak like a dictionary. If you chose the second, congratulations, you speak like a human. Hi guys, this is Rishu. Have you ever opened a dictionary, looked at the pronunciation and thought, wait, nobody says it like that? Well, you're not crazy, you're just listening to native speakers being lazy. Today, I'm going to show you 10 words the dictionary wants you to pronounce carefully, but in real life, natives smash them, squash them, and delete syllables like junk mail. Let's go! This word is pronounced actually according to the dictionary, but most of the time, natives say actually or even actually. Example, I actually like this movie. I actually like this movie. 4 syllables? Nah, English speaker just press delete. This word is pronounced particularly according to the dictionary, but most of the time natives say particularly. Example, I particularly enjoy music. I particularly enjoy music. The middle part is like New Year's resolution, then January gone by February. This word is pronounced itinerary according to the dictionary, but most of the time natives say itinerary or itinerary. Example, here's my itinerary for the trip. Here's my itinerary for the trip. Even your vacation plans, go on a diet and lose a syllable. This word is pronounced library according to the dictionary, but most of the time natives say library. Example, I'll meet you at the library. I'll meet you at the library. Sorry Larry, this word isn't secretly about you. This word is pronounced February according to the dictionary, but most of the time natives say February. Example, my birthday is in February. My birthday is in February. The first R is like the middle child. Nobody pays attention to it. This word is pronounced forehead according to the dictionary, but most of the time natives say forehead. Example, she kissed me on the forehead. She kissed me on the forehead. The English word like head? Nah, let's replace it with red. This word is pronounced government according to the dictionary, but most of the time natives say government. Example, the government announced new rules. The government announced new rules. Even the word government is corrupt, it steals its own syllables. This word is pronounced governor according to the dictionary, but most of the time natives say governor. Example, he is the governor of Texas. He is the governor of Texas. Governor shortens everything, words and budgets. This word is pronounced prerogative according to the dictionary, but most of the time natives say prerogative. Example, it's my prerogative. It's my prerogative. That first syllable just quit its job without notice. This word is pronounced casualty according to the dictionary, but most of the time natives say casualty. Example, the accident caused one casualty. The accident caused one casualty. Even the word casualty becomes casualty of lazy English. So there you have it. 10 words the dictionary says one way, but in real life, natives take the shortcut. Which one surprised you the most? Forehead becoming forehead or library shrinking into library? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe or I'll probably be sad.